So creme brulee, something I haven't made in actually over a whole decade, but something that is constantly classic and delicious. So my favorite way to make creme brulee is by taking half and half and heavy cream. I add a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, and I'm just gonna heat that up briefly. In this bowl, I have egg yolks. I'll add some sugar, and that is used to lighten up your egg yolk. So once the half and half and the heavy cream heat up and get all that infused, then you pour the warm very slowly into the egg yolk. Little by little, all your good vanilla flavor in there. Once that's done, you strain it to make sure you don't have any pieces of cooked egg yolk. And it's really easy to pour it into a measuring cup. So you'll pour this right into these prepared ramekins. You don't have to do anything to them. You don't have to oil them. And we'll be bruleeing the top of it or burning the top of it. And then you'll bake. And these take anywhere, every oven's different, but they should take anywhere from about 30 to 35 minutes. And this is what they look like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brulee this for you. So this is a set creme brulee. See, it's not wobbly. It's lovely, it's all set. So to brulee, you just need a little bit of flame. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of sugar, and I'm just using regular granulated sugar, and go ahead and brulee your creme. And slowly just move around in a circular motion so that it's an even amount of heat. And keep going around until you get to the color that you want for your brulee. And there you have it, 4 beautiful creme brulees. I'm gonna try this one. Ah, that's exactly what you want, that crack. And then dip in. Oh yeah. Do you see this? It's so smooth and delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. You guys go ahead, keep watching our show, and I'll see you next time. Discover how to make creme brulee at home with my recipe at checkpleasefl.com.